So let's see right now an example in which you have to check whether a number is odd or even. I'm just going to give you an example of a dice, and when you roll this dice you want to see if the numbers as displayed on the dice is odd or even. And in order to check the parity, there is an algorithm which I'm going to show you right now. And so we're going to go inside this onCreate method, and first of all we just have to set up some variables. And so I'm going to say int number displayed on dice, and let's say we have 5. And so right now what we need to do is we're gonna check with an if statement. And so we're just gonna say number displayed on dice, and then we do this remainder by the division of 2 equals 0. And so what this means is that we're checking if this number right here that is displayed on the dice is even. And how we do this is simply because when you divide something by 2, if it is an odd number, the rest of the division is going to be 1. But if the number is even, then the rest of the division to 2 is going to be 0. So there are two possible rests that you can have for this division by 2, and one is 0 and the other is 1. So depending on these values you can determine if your number is odd or even. And right now we are just checking, so I'm just gonna leave a comment right here checking if the number displayed on dice is even. Okay, and that's what we're checking right here. And if it is even, we're gonna say number displayed on dice is even. And otherwise I'm just gonna use this else statement. Otherwise I'm gonna use this toast utility to display a message, and then I'm just gonna say number displayed on the dice is odd. And that's what we're gonna see right now on the screen, because as you can see on the dice we have number 5. And so I'm gonna go right here and run my application, and I'm gonna zoom in as well so that we can see better what's displayed on the screen. And you can see that the number that is displayed is odd.